They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I have another leggings haul for you guys. I know you guys really like the leggings hauls. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a company that I found a couple of years ago, and it's not like a well-known company. They're on Instagram. I found them on Instagram because I follow someone who is, like one of their, ambassadors, or I don't know what you call it, but I saw them wearing it and I thought, let me try them out because I like the way they fit on them. And I gave it a try a couple years ago and I love the way they fit on me. And recently I just purchased maybe a good amount of them, maybe probably 10 pairs of them, but different kinds. This time, before, I only tried one pair of theirs, and I wanted to give a couple of other ones a try. And I just want to let you guys, know what I think, and, also share with you guys, another company that you guys may not have ever heard of, and maybe you want to give it a try. So the company is called Women's Best, and it's actually a really nice company. I think they started off with supplements, like protein shakes and different things like that. But they also have leggings and clothes. They have sweatsuits and, socks and just different all gym stuff, basically. All things that go with fitness, they kind of carry. The first pair that I have on are their kind of like booty scrunch, it's called. It's not really a deep booty scrunch. I'll insert a picture of you guys, of how it looks. I have done a video on actual booty scrunch leggings before, and you guys can go check that out. I'll link it in the description box below. But these are not the same. Those are really booty scrunch. Those have a deep scrunch. These, it's just a minimal, the scrunch is maybe this big. So I like it, it fits good. I really like the material. The only thing I'm going to say about the scrunch, and if I'm being honest, I probably won't purchase these in particular again, just because of the scrunch. So whatever they, did with the scrunch, it's not very strong as far as that little, on the inside. It's they do something with it to make it scrunch, and it's not strong. So basically, as I'm pulling them up, I've had already 2 of my leggings rip at the scrunch. So it's like a shear right down the middle. So the leggings are pretty much done. So I had to throw those out. So I probably won't be purchasing them again just because of that. Maybe you guys could get away with it if maybe you're not as voluptuous in the bottom area. Maybe it will work for you. Because other than that, I like the way, I like the material of it for the most part. They are a little loud. I don't know if you guys have ever worn leggings that when you walk, they make a noise. Kind of like a swishy, like a tracksuit, you know how athletes wear, or just, the swishy, you guys know what I'm talking about, the tracksuits. They make a noise. So these make a noise. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can, you guys probably can't hear that, but when you walk, they make a noise. Now I am a little, thicker in the thighs, so my thighs do rub. So maybe if your thighs don't rub, maybe that won't be an issue for you. but I'm just trying to be honest with you guys so you guys know what you're buying. I love the waistband. They are high waist. That's all I buy. These, they come all the way up, and then they really, really cinch you. I don't know if you can tell. This isn't just my shape. I do have a naturally curvy shape, but this is like giving me a little extra. It's really cinched in. So also, if you carry a little weight in your midsection, it's probably won't be the most comfortable for you. Just being honest, like I said, that's all I'm about. I'm all about being honest. I don't want you wasting your money, thinking that something's gonna work and it doesn't. I think they're true to size. I wouldn't size up or down in these. I would get your normal size. I think that's it. I don't think, even if you sized up, I don't think that would help the waist. I think that's just how they make their leggings, and I actually like that. That's one of, the biggest things that I loved about when I bought them before years ago, was that the waist really, hugs you. Because for me, I needed to, it's a struggle getting it up over the thighs. But then once it's up, I needed to cinch in, because otherwise they're just going to be falling down. And that's not, when I'm at the gym, that's not okay. So, yeah, so that's it. These are blue. I got them in a couple other colors. I think like a gray maybe I got. And like I told you, I think I probably bought like maybe 4 of these. And 2 of them already ripped, so they're gone. But I think I have the blues left, and maybe, I think I have a gray left also. So, yeah, so as you guys can see, like I said, they're very high waist. They cinch you in, nice material. They come all the way down to the floor, and that's it. Very minimal logos. There's nothing like, something big up here. It's just right here in the back. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see that. It's just a heart. And before I go any further, so about this company, so I think it's really cool. Their logo it's a heart, but if you look close, it's a picture of a woman. So I think that it's kind of cute to me. I like that. Yeah, so on to the next one. The second pair are my favorites. These are one of the first ones that I originally purchased years ago that kind of made me fall in love with the company. So these are like their basic, I want to say they're probably called like everyday leggings or something. I'll put the names of all the leggings on the screen for you guys, and I'll also put how much I paid for them. I think I got them on sale, but I'll also put the original price just so you guys know. So these are probably my favorite of their leggings so far that I have bought. They are just so simple, and like I said, they're like an everyday, you could do whatever you want in them. You could do a leg day in them, a back day, you could just go for a walk, you could just do errands in them. They're really for everything, and I feel like I pull them up and they just stay. They don't do anything, they don't come down, they just go with the flow, they come with me. It takes a little bit to get them on, but that's really all of my leggings. But once they're on, they're on. And then, like I said, it's once again, this waistband that they have here. It's like a rib material. I'll show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see it in this little side clip that I'm going to put. It's like a rib material, and that helps it, really cinch your waist in. And I also think that helps it keeps the leggings up too, while you're moving around. One of my biggest pet peeves about wearing leggings is just constantly having to pull them up throughout the day while I'm working out. It's just, it really, like, that'll kind of throw my workout off, or really just my day off, because I'm constantly having to adjust them. So that's a big pet peeve for me. So these, I don't find, that's not a issue for me. I really don't have anything bad to say about these leggings other than, like I said, the whole, you know, the waistline is very, very, you know, like compressive basically. So if you do hold, like I said before, if you do hold a little, you know, weight in your midsection, maybe it's that time of the month or something, you're a little bloated, I probably would get a different legging for that day. But other than that, I love them. I would say maybe size up in these. Like if you're kind of on the edge of your size, like for instance, I'm an extra large normally. But when I put, like, you know, when I'm not paying attention to my weight, you know, I'm just freely, you know, I'm not on my, you know, my working out, my fitness and stuff like that. It's a struggle putting them on. So if you're like teetering in between sizes, I would size up. I would go to that upper size versus, you know, sizing down, because the material is really, really thick, and it holds you in. Like I said, it holds you in. It, you know, smooths out any cellulite. Like, you know, I don't know if you guys can't see anything, and I have cellulite on my thighs. You can't see anything. It makes you just look like you this toned baddie. And, you know, you just go about your day in the gym, you know. And like I said, it cinches you in. I have all good things to say about this. All right, so same leggings, different color. Like I told you guys, I got a lot of different colors in these. I just wanted to share this particular color. It's like an olive green. I really, really like this color. Everything is pretty much the same as far as the fit as the last one. I do feel like the green, let me know in the comment section below if you guys ever experienced this. Do you guys ever buy a color, you know, of something and you're like, oh, I love it, fits great, and then you buy a different color of the exact same, you know, piece, and you feel like it fits a little different, like sometimes maybe it fits a little smaller. So these, I feel like it was a little, you know, little harder getting into versus the black ones. Not sure what the science is behind that, but just want to be transparent with you guys. Also, another thing that I wanted to point out is that on the side for me, there is a little bit of gapping. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is a little bit of gapping in the back for me. But it's not a huge deal. So these, they are, before when I tried them on, when I first got them, I was like, absolutely not. Maybe I should send them back. They were so tight and constricting and, you know, too compressive. I basically couldn't breathe in them. Now I have, you know, been watching what I'm eating and things like that, so I'm a lot less like bloated. And when I put these on just now, and if I'm being honest, this is probably my first time wearing these since the first time I tried them on when I first got them. I just kind of put them in the back of my drawer, and I just was like, I'm not wearing those. Maybe I'll get into them or something. You know how we do, girls. So I just tried them on just now, and yes, they are still very, very, you know, like I said before about the other ones, very constricting, very compressive everywhere. The thighs, it's like a rib material all through, and I think that's what's making it, you know, so compressive. But I don't know if you guys can appreciate it on the video, but if you can see what the waistline is doing right now and how it's giving me body yaddy yaddy. It's sucking me in like I've never been sucked in before, basically. So, you know, it's very, very figure hugging. This is like a tan, probably like a nude color, tan nude color. And here's one thing that I really like about this company too. It's like the attention to detail with them. And I think because it's a smaller company, you know, they really, you know, pay attention to the small things. Or maybe they're paying attention to what the customers are saying, basically, you know, in like the reviews and the comment section and things like that. Because as I was putting them on, I was looking for the logo. I couldn't find the logo. I was like, okay, maybe it's on the ankle. Sometimes I see that on one pair that I have. I think it's on the ankle, on the back ankle actually, that's cute too, and it's very small. But I thought maybe they just didn't put one. It's not even a tag on it, guys. There's no tag because who likes a tag, right? So they don't put tags in the back like, you know, regular, you know, places, annoying tags that usually you cut off. They don't do that. They're very smart. So if you can see, and like I said, I'll do a close up, it actually blends in with the nude. So I don't know if they did that on purpose. I don't know if that's on all of them. If, you know, maybe just this color, they decided to put that so that it gives the illusion of, you know, it's all nude. You don't see anything. There's nothing, you know, kind of distracting you. It's just all about the leggings, basically, all about the legs. But I really, really like that. It's the same color as the leggings, but you barely can see it. So love that. Still with the same thick waistband. I love that so much. I just love this company so much. I would love to work with them one day. As far as, you know, them sending me some things. I don't usually wear like sweatsuits, but I've seen their sweatsuits on their website, and it looks like it's really high quality, and I might grab a couple and do another review for you guys. But I love these now. I have to take it back. And usually on my videos, I save the best for last. And this would have been my, like, you know, the one I don't like the most. And I actually do like it the most now. So look how that turned out. But anyway, so if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below which one you guys think is your favorite on me, which one looked the best. If you guys are thinking about purchasing, let's just start a conversation. You know, I try my best to answer you guys in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that like button. That'll help, you know, get the video out, and, you know, so more people can see it and help me grow on this platform. And don't forget to follow my social medias, my Instagram and TikTok, all the Curvy Barbie. I'll put it in the description box below. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.